Alright. Yeah, I'm about to get some footage.
Alright, hit it up. Yo,
Oh, you got the iPhone too, son.
Dead ass. Alright, so I'm gonna stand like, I don't know, I'm gonna just figure out what's good. Alright, don't hit me. This guy Dan. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. This guy Eddie and Dan are in like the fucking. Yo. Niggas is feasting. Yo. We on that fucking. Yo. Yo, this is just too wild. Yo, what up, Sheila? What up? I see you. I see you all day. Show me what's good. Oh, Eddie B just had spin out right there. This is straight though. Oh shit, eh? Alright. Yo, what up? Yo, what up? Yo, what up? What up? What up? What up? What up? That is too fresh. Oh, and he's about to go off into the into the snowbanks. Yo, these kids are just drifting their whips like it's nobody's business right now. You know, it's crickety crack, filming the tapes. You know what I'm saying? We know what's good every day, all day. This is what we do. You know what I'm saying? That nigga in the SI right there, that's Dan Nicolaisen all day. All day, no problems, no questions asked. Just whipping this shit. Oh, Ed Boy's beat out?